in a place called the Hundred-Acre Wood. Winnie the Pooh and his friends have had many exciting adventures. In fact, here's one right now. On this very blustery autumn day, poor Piglet is lifted up into the air by a sudden wind and carried through the Hundred-Acre Wood. Only his best friend Pooh can help him. Piglet flies high. Piglet lived in an old tree in the Hundred-Acre Wood. One blustery autumn day, as he was sweeping leaves, the wind suddenly got bigger and lifted him off the ground.
Whoa! Oh, dear!
He cried.
Help!
Pooh, please.
Exclaimed Piglet as he sailed over Pooh's head. Pooh managed to grab hold of Piglet's scarf, but it began to unravel as the wind pulled them both along.
Ooh. Hang on, Piglet.
He yelled to his friend. The wind got so big that it lifted Pooh right off the ground as well. The two friends sailed through the air until they arrived at Owl's tree house. Owl was pleased to have visitors, and he offered his friends honey and tea. Suddenly the wind blew up a terrific, powerful gust, and the tree house began to tip to one side.
Whoa!
Owl's house crashed to the ground with everyone still inside.
Don't worry.
Said Christopher Robin.
We will build you a new home.
Owl felt very lucky to have such good friends. The end.